So for the first time ever at our Get Inspired 2025 event, we also presented our 2-hour portfolio performance, which is certified revenues by an independent auditor. So compared to indices, this is real revenues that have been generated by the operational assets of our customers. The main purpose of the portfolio performance is to provide a crucial piece of information to asset owners when they decide on how to size their asset, which performance warranties to take, because until we published the data, they had to rely purely on simulations, right? And all optimizers and forecasters told them different values, and we had a layer of real data, right, that's achieved by operational assets.
Portfolio performance is something that is definitely very important for project developers and banks to determine which optimizer performs well and how optimizers perform in different environments. We as Aurora, we are using these kind of benchmarks to also inform our forward-looking models, our optimization model that checks how much revenue does a battery make in the coming years. And of course, it's for us very helpful to have different providers of these benchmarks to then actually determine, okay, what is a beneficial strategy, under which circumstances are we using which strategy, and then that ultimately also makes our forecasting models better for appliance in revenue forecast for batteries.
Battery business case relies on bankability. Can an enspired actually get that value out of the asset? And basically that's the main value that we see, is comparing what are we saying, what do we expect, and what's really traded, you know? And I think that's a huge step forward, because before we had these backcasts by all the go-to-market operators, which nobody believed in. This brings a lot of transparency, and I think many should follow suit.
It helps in a transparency regarding revenues, depending where the asset is, technical aspects like duration, C-rate, cycle restrictions, whatever restrictions. And I think the more traders publish their real performance, the better it is for comparison of different traders.